just installed the JLT catch can. It's really easy. What you'll do is undo this back bolt, put on this bracket, attach the oil separator to the bracket with these two Phillips head screws, and then this hose here, the outside hose, goes to the bottom fitting, and then the outside hose goes to the top fitting. They're really easy to take off. So what you'll do is that's the top and the bottom fitting. That's the original setup. And what you'll do on this is you'll just push here, and that will, and then pull. Same thing on the other side. You just push and pull off. And the other one, they just snap right on. So my big thing is making it look like it was made for the cars. And this hose was a little bit long. I tried to pull it up, but it's just kind of too tight. So I just left it, and I figured something out, maybe tie or something. But really easy to do. I undid these bolts here that hold on the cover, and just lifted it up a little bit, and then you have to take it all the way off. Really easy install. It takes about 15 minutes.